You're watching the Weiss channel. Da-da-da-da-da. Okay, so what we did last week was we talked about investing a one-time investment, like if you put in $5,000 one time over a period of say 20 years, and it earned interest over time. But what if you put in some amount of money every month, month after month after month after month, the same exact amount? There's another formula for that. So that's called a monthly investment, okay? So today we're going to find the accumulated balance in each situation. First, make a payment of $100 per month for 20 years. The same $100 payment for 20 years. All right? Here, 3.5% APR, compounded monthly. Okay? There's a big formula for that, and it's this big, ugly formula. Now, as big and ugly as this formula is, it's not hard, it's just extensive. There's a lot to it, all right? So all you have to do is carefully plug the numbers in, all right? So your accumulated balance equals, PMT is short for payment. What's your payment? 100 times 1 plus APR. APR is 3.5. How do you write 3.5 as a decimal?
0.035.
Thank you very much. 0.035 divided by, N again is the number of compounds. If it's monthly, how many is that in a year?
12.
12. Very good. Okay. To the NY, again 12, and then times the number of years, 20 years. Okay. And then that whole thing minus 1. All over 0.035, the APR, over the number of compounds. That is a pain in the butt. All right. How would you go ahead and do that on your calculator? Well, it's a long process. Okay. But you go ahead and you'll do, I would recommend starting right here. Okay. I'm going to do 0.035 divided by 12 to equals. All right. Then I would do plus 1. Plus 1 equals. Now, I'm going to do that to the 12 times 20 power. What is 12 times 20? 12 times 20 is 240. Okay? So I'm going to do to the 240th power. Okay? Equals. All right? Now I'm going to do minus 1. Minus 1 equals. Now I'm going to do times 100. Times 100 equals. Okay? Now I'm going to divide by, and I'm going to use parentheses on my calculator because it'll give me a different answer if I don't. Parentheses, 0.035 divided by 12. Close the parentheses, hit equals, and I get 34,686. 34,686, 93 if you round. That is your accumulated balance. Okay? Let's try 2 more just like that. Okay? Here, the payment is 200, and it's 25 years. APR is 2.5% compounded semi-annually. Semi-annually, N is going to be what? 2. Thank you, Janaya. Very good. Okay, so here we go. A equals, the payment is 200 times 1 plus APR, 2.5%, and the decimal is 0.025, right? 0.025 divided by n, we said, is 2, right? To the 2 times 25, then minus 1. All over, okay, 0.025 divided by 2. Okay? Again, on my calculator, I'm going to start right here and do 0.025 divided by 2, hit equals. Now I'm going to do plus 1, equals. Now I'm going to do to the 50th power, because 2 times 25 is 50, equals. Okay? Now I'm going to do minus 1. Minus 1 equals. Okay? Now I'm going to do times 200. Times 200 equals. Now I'm going to go divided by, and I'm going to hit my parentheses, 0.025 divided by 2, close parentheses, equals. Gives me 13,776. And 36 cents. Okay? That's how it works. I want to do one more, okay? Same thing. This time, it's a payment of $300 per month for 15 years, pays 1.5% interest, and compounded quarterly. What's n going to be for quarterly? 4, right? Very good. So, just fill in your numbers. A equals 300 times 1 plus 0.015 divided by 4 because it's quarterly, okay? And this is to the 4 times 15. And I'm going to do minus 1. And all over 0.015 divided by 4. Okay? One more time. I'm going to start here. I'm going to say 0.015 divided by 4 equals. I'm going to do plus 1 equals. I'm going to take that 4 times 15 is 60, so I'm going to take that to the 60th power equals. And then I'm going to do minus 1 equals. Then I'm going to do times 300. Times 300 equals. Then I'm going to divide. And I'm going to use my parentheses key. Parentheses. 0.015 divided by 4, close the parentheses, equals. And I get 20,000. $143.67 if you round. And that's how it works. You've been watching the Weiss Channel. Da 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 da.